Refuting alleged errors in the Quran from Wiki-islam, Part 1. The rotation of the earth. The critics point out that while the Quran mentions the orbits of the sun and the moon and other celestial bodies, it says nothing about the movement of the earth. And one verse mentions that the earth is a resting place, which they interpret to suggest means that it isn't moving. Moreover, they say that the original audience of the Quran, who believed most likely that the sun goes around the earth in any case, according to the knowledge of the time, would have interpreted the references to the movement of the sun in relation to the earth to confirm that. Now, what do we have here? First of all, we have an argument from silence, which is a logical fallacy. There is not one single verse of the Quran that says that the earth does not move or that the sun orbits the earth. If there were any such verse, they would have discovered it by now. All you have is an argument from silence, simply because the Quran has not specifically mentioned the fact that the earth goes around the sun. That is taken to mean that the author of the Quran did not know this. But given all the other facts that have been mentioned in the Quran, that doesn't seem likely to me at all, especially given the fact that the Quran mentions the wrapping of the night and day around the earth, which in a sense itself is suggestive of movement, but which was interpreted by scholars such as Imam Ibn Hazm and Ibn Taymiyyah centuries ago to say that the earth is in fact round, well before the time of Galileo. So therefore what you have is an argument from silence, and the burden of proof rests on the critics, not just to make roundabout arguments about possible interpretations, but to bring a clear verse that shows that the author of the Quran did not know about the rotation of the earth or the shape of the earth. There is absolutely no such verse in the Quran. So as Muslims, we can be rest assured that there is no error in the Quran regarding the sun going around the earth as opposed to the other way around.